Before we get into today's video, I want to mention a giveaway for all of the items in this cool gaming setup. All you got to do is leave your Twitter handle down in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Good luck, everybody. Want to sit on a pancake. No, I like a cushion. Today we are going to be looking at this product. I have a product here and it's called the UNBOXUS and it's a true privacy webcam. Actually, there's more products we're going to check out too. If you look behind me, it's part of an entire setup. True privacy, they trademarked it. The true privacy part, so you know it matters. You have a microphone mute circuit breaker. So not a software-based microphone mute, but instead an actual circuit breaker. So if the mic is off, it's off. It can't possibly function. And you also have a smart magnetic privacy cover. Everybody's doing the video conferencing and the streaming and the twitching. Okay, so the UNBOXUS. This is the camera unit. Ooh, I feel the magnetic cover. That's kind of satisfying. Listen, shh. Ah. Oh, ho, ho. There you go, look. Bang. You could take it off completely or you just pivot it like this. That's kind of nice. Genius little thing. Dual microphones, a light to indicate when it's on. This is probably going to be your mute, I'm guessing. This is part of a whole UNBOXUS setup, from the desk to the chair to the camera that we're talking about. And we're also talking about a height adjustable desk. Motorized, height adjustable, that's what you're gonna want. You probably also noticed this enormous mat that fits across the entire desk, cut out to size with different points to do cable runs right through the mat so you can keep everything clean and organized. Oh, and look at that. A built-in headphone hook as well, so you can hang your headset over here. There's like a net in there to hold all of your cables and adapters and such, so you have your cable management going on. There's a touch button on here and 3 different color temperatures, so I simply, well, this is obviously more my preference, and then off. So touch sensitive, along the top, easy to find, natural position, simply tap, tap, tap. So obviously here we have a warm color. This is a cool color and this appears to be kind of a mix of the two. I'll probably take, I like the bluish one, I'm partial, but yeah, give me the blue. Oh man, what is this? We actually got gaming glasses in here as well for the eye fatigue. These guys do everything.
You gotta put those on.
Every single gaming peripheral they apparently do. I realized when I came in here today that it was gonna be a little different, and we've now fully achieved that status through this new profile, which I've chosen to adopt. This is the trend right now. It's all the rage. Lightweight, breathable with the honeycomb pattern. And you can actually see some of the components on the inside and even more RGB there. But less fatigue, greater responsiveness. I mean, I don't need to tell you, you're aware. Look at this, the holder. What is the name of this thing? There's a name for these, right? Cable Ancora mouse bungee. All the names of the Erosi products sound like spots that I would want to go vacation in. All of them. I want to go to UNBOXUS and Ancora by the sea with the fresh seafood coming out or whatever you're into. I don't know. Maybe there's some olive oil involved. But either way, it sounds delicious. Yeah, but if it was a place, it would be a place that has delicious food. We got the name for the headset. It is the Aria gaming headset. And one more thing to mention before I jump into this game is the chair that I'm sitting in that is robust, and the seat will not turn into a pancake. That was officially, that line was in there. The chair will not flatten out like a pancake over time. Seems to be a key. I don't want to sit on a pancake. No, I like a cushion. That's a promise from the company. I'm not sure if that's an official promise, but whatever. I mean, you know how these chairs work. It sort of feels like a race car type seat. Lots of adjustability here. Look at that. I gotta have armrests that go up and down, in and out. Spin. This is lumbar. Let's try it. Oh yeah. Big lumbar guy.
Does that mean you have a big lumbar?
No, it means I appreciate lumbar adjustments. We can also go. Okay. I was up late last night, I'll tell you what. I'll just give you a little inside scoop. You can ask Willie Do. I sent him a message at like 3 a.m. and he was not happy about it. I'm not even lying to you right now. He was about to hit the lights and everything. I totally could have done what you thought I was gonna do. Lights out, nap time. You could just take a little. Don't underestimate a 5-minute. Those naps, they can charge you up. Yo, I'm lit right now.
It's lit.
Yo.
Do a Travis Scott. Right?
Yo.
Do your Travis Scott.
What does Travis Scott do?
It's lit.
Oh, he does?
Yeah.
I didn't even know that. I'm bright. This is, now we're recording here with the light and all the rest of it. Sick. Tack. Yes.
You build rat.
This guy's upset.
Isn't right.
Oh, he died. He died. He died. I got his loot. Yes, I can. Space W. Okay. Yeah, you got it. Music copywritten. This is a bad idea. Am I dying right now? Oh my god. What? This escalated very quickly. Oh my god, this is not looking good. I guess I got speed. No, I don't even have speed on this. Jesus. He got so much armor. Oh. I don't have to completely defeat him right now. It's just like weaken him a little bit. We meet up at a later date, possibly. I'm on a beach now. This is a much more inviting location. It seems like, oh my, look at this. A black boar. What do I do, eat it? I can't eat the boar. Can I? I thought I was gonna collect the meat from the boar, no?
What'd you get? You got meat in there?
Well, I got the meat from previously, but I can't
Can you cook it?
collect the boar, man. So you're doing the streaming, you're doing the gaming, as you would be. But then circumstances change. And you're like, I gotta get out of here quickly, or I'm doing something else or whatever. You just reach up, check it out. Boom, camera covered, light is off, and then flick the switch and the microphone is cut off and cannot be operated. I forgot I was wearing these glasses. Wow, everything is very blue now. Oh yeah, and don't forget, you have a chance to win one of these cool peripherals from a Rosie. Simply leave your Twitter handle down in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to the channel. You could win, what can you win, Mo? You could win the chair. You could win the chair or the desk. You could have a nice little upgrade to your setup. I presume you could win the camera as well. Anyway, super easy to enter, and a Rosie's gonna take care of it. They're gonna actually select some people, so good luck.